Hey there, welcome back to our channel Couture Crave. If it is your first time here, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell for all the latest updates. Today we are diving into the world of super cool sneakers for girls. We have got the inside scoop on the latest comfy, lightweight and extra soft footwear collection that is perfect for all you awesome ladies out there. We have got sneakers for every vibe. Casual days, semi-casual days, regular everyday wear, party nights and even some stylish picks from Dr. Footwear. Yes, we got it all covered. With so many stylish and lightweight designs, you are sure to find the perfect pair for any occasion. Need some fancy and latest sneakers? We got you. We are showing off a bunch of different shoe styles and colors in this video, so stick around till the end. You won't want to miss out on the coolest kicks. And hey, sharing is caring. Make sure to send this video to your friends and family so they can up their shoe game too. Now spill the beans. Which pair of shoes stole your heart from this collection? Drop your favorites in the comments below. Can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for hanging out with us at Couture Crave. If you like this video, give it thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn about how to choose a perfect pair of sneakers according to their own desire. Thanks for watching my video.